What's up guys, this is Tampatec and this is my review on the Legends Ultimate Mini. I'm going to give you 11 reasons why you should get one of these over any other mini arcade cabinet. Starting off, the first reason is that it is connected online using either the built-in Wi-Fi connection or the Ethernet connection. I highly recommend using that hardwired Ethernet connection to give you the best streaming capabilities. So right here I got my connection and I'm using a 20-foot Ethernet cable connected to my router. Now the second reason you should get the Legends Ultimate Mini is because the high quality buttons. An arcade quality joystick. You even got side buttons for virtual pinball. The third reason, you could flip the screen. Yes, this is a rotating screen, which is one of the first, if not the first, arcade cabinet to do that. Let's go ahead and try it out. And I think this was inspired by the Legends Connect mod contest. So you just twist these screws off. And it's nice that you don't need a screwdriver to twist these screws off, because you can just grab them and twist them with no tools needed. And I'm going to do this in real time so you know how long it takes. Alright, and then, oh, I forgot the suction cup. I'm going to take that plexiglass off. And right now it says horizontal mode. We're going to flip it where it says vertical mode. So we can take this, lift it up. And back here, you can actually access the game board. This is the monitor. And you can see the back right here if you're interested in that stuff. And then we rotate it this way, just like that. Go ahead and put the plexiglass back on, vertical, just like that. And now we're in vertical mode. To flip the screen in the settings, you can't do that yet. There's going to be an update where you can flip the screen in the settings so you don't have to turn off the arcade and turn it back on. But as of right now, you turn off the arcade cabinet and then turn it back on, and then the screen should be flipped, and it is. And why would you want to flip the screen? Well, to play vertical games, of course. And the fourth reason why you should get the Legends Ultimate Mini is because it supports virtual pinball. On the side right here, you have a flipper button, and then the other one is for nudging the pinball table. Now you can buy the pinball tables through Atgames.net. And there are many different volumes you can choose from, and the sound sounds terrific with these stereo speakers. So you want to pull back on the joystick and then release. So there's no input lag, and the screen resolution is 1080p, 60 frames per second. Now, the fifth reason why you should get the Legends Ultimate Mini is because it supports add-on games. We're going to go under BYOG, bring your own games, go to add-on, select that, and I have two folders. So I created a folder for horizontal games when I have it in horizontal mode, and vertical games when I have the screen in vertical mode. So let's try out vertical games because it's already in vertical mode. And these are all the vertical games I can find online. And so this is a really old school game, but it's awesome. I love this game. 1945. And this is part of a series, 1942, 1943, 1944, 1945. Those games are really good. The screen's a little short, and let's go ahead and adjust that. So you hit the menu button, and then you go over to display mode. And then now we could fill in the screen, and you can add the retro scan lines if you like that. And then of course you can do button mapping. So let's exit out of that and start a game. Of course I have Miss Pat Galaga, all the classics. Pac-Man Mania, underrated game. Q*bert, and Time Pilots, my favorite game. This game's awesome. You travel through time, and it has a really cool layout. Now, the 6th reason why you should get the Legends Ultimate Mini is that you can stream games and play them online with your buddy that lives in another state or another country. And you have voice chat support. Yes, you could wear your headset, connect it via Bluetooth, and talk to your buddy while playing retro games. How cool is that? Now, 7th reason. Now, right here, we have 150 games, but of course, you can buy table packs and add more games like pinball tables and stuff like that to your built-in games. So right here we have my games. I'm just going to ahead and show you the native games, which are 150 native games. Not all of them are the best of games, but you do have a lot of classics like Space Invaders and Space Invaders Deluxe. Operation Wolf, fantastic game. That's a light gun game, but this thing has light gun support. Lion King, Gargoyles, excellent game. Even Fix-It Felix, Elevator Action, and Elevator Action Returns. And these games have leaderboard support, so when you get a high score, you can post it online and compete for prizes. Now, the 8th reason why you should get the Legends Ultimate Mini, especially if you have kids, is the rewind button feature. If your kids are trying to beat a game like Aladdin and they can't do it, well, simply hit that rewind button and that will definitely help you beat this game, no problem. Let's go ahead and give it a try. So they try to jump across and they failed. Hit that rewind button and you're back on the platform. Simple as that. Now, the 9th reason is because it has light gun support. If you go to settings right here and you plug in your light gun to the USB port, then you can calibrate your light gun right here. But of course, my light gun is broken for this demonstration. I bought an aim-track light gun and the wiring is damaged and I would have to get a new wire harness to fix that issue. But hopefully the Legends Ultimate Mini will have the wireless gun. Light gun is going to be coming out, I think next year or the year after. But I've seen pictures of it online and it's wireless. That's all I know. So hopefully that's going to be available next year. Now, the 10th reason why is that you can swap control decks. Yes. And just like that, unplug these 3 connections and you can swap out your control decks. And the 11th reason why is because you can connect your laptop using the HDMI port on here and connect it OTG mode, or you can even connect it using the Ethernet cable connection. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, you do have to download the ArcadeNet app on your PC. Make sure your PC is connected to the same wireless router. Go ahead and hit X for refresh. And there it is right here. That's my PC. And now I'm connected to my PC. Well, not yet. You want to make sure you download Steam on your computer and you want to set everything to big picture mode, and then you also want to configure the buttons. Now, you can change the format to fit this screen, but I have ultra wide monitor, that's why it looks like this. But you do want to go on your PC and change the resolution to a standard 1080p resolution. Now, if you want the best experience playing from your PC on the Legends Ultimate Mini, I highly recommend using an Ethernet cable, but even better than that is connecting directly to the Legends Ultimate Mini using an HDMI connection from your laptop to the Legends Ultimate Mini and setting it in OTG mode. That's going to give you the least amount of input lag. So guys, if you're interested in the Legends Ultimate Mini, check out the link in the video description below. This is the best time to buy the Legends Ultimate Mini. The reason why is because they're running a huge winter sale. So through November 12th all the way to November 15th, you're gonna expect really awesome deals, 40, 50% off deals. And if you guys are interested in those deals, check out the link in the video description below. If you know anyone that might be interested in the Legends Ultimate Mini, go ahead and click on the share button below. Share this video to them. If you found this video informative, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Later, guys.